name is Jeff Mutton, Innovations Manager here at Geographe. We are a manufacturer of enhanced performance replacement parts for mobile and fixed plant mining equipment, supporting every Tier 1 miner on the ASX, as well as many Tier 2 miners and off-site repairers. One of our manufacturing goals is the maximisation of potential hours availability of every new manufacturing cell we install, and our enthusiasm to leverage complex integrations to implement smart automation is unmatched in Australian manufacturing. The Modula solves an issue of limited space that is normally within reach of the FANUC robot, space where we need to have access to store the chuck jaws and duplicate cutting tooling required for the cell to run for many hours without stoppage. Modula has increased our machining capacity by providing the cell with more hours availability in cutting tool life. This extra utilisation gets more products manufactured sooner, thus reducing our lead times and providing a better service to our customers.
Hi, my name is Ethan Shires. I'm the Robotic Interfacing Specialist within the Innovations Department here at Geographe's Bunbury facility. My background is in CNC machining. The day-to-day generally consists of monitoring and improving our automated machining cells. Our Modula is quite unique since it has the front extended bay accessed by our FANUC robot on one side, allowing full automated use, with the other side being accessible by the operator at any time, changing inserts or inspecting chuck jaws without disrupting the cell. One of the top benefits is having sister tools available for our bottom turret of our Multis U5000, meaning no manual intervention to change inserts for 60 hours plus, with plenty more storage capacity left for more tooling should we need it in the future.